Welcome to the Truth or Dare quiz. Pick truth to answer a fun, creative question, or dare to take on a silly challenge. Let's see how daring you are. Ready? Let's go! Round 1. Truth. What would your DJ name be? Dare. Pretend to DJ for 15 seconds. Round 2. Truth. What's the weirdest noise you can make? Dare. Speak like a pirate for the next round. Round 3. Truth. If you could fly, where's the first place you'd go? Dare. Flap your arms and run around like a bird. Round 4. Truth. If you were invisible, what's the first thing you'd do? Dare. Hide behind an object and say, "You can't see me." Round 5. Truth. What's the funniest word you know? Dare. Try to juggle 3 random objects. Round 6. Truth. If you were a fruit, what would you be and why? Dare. Pretend to peel and eat an invisible banana. Round 7. Truth. What's the best name for a secret superhero? Dare. Strike 3 superhero poses in 10 seconds. Round 8. Truth. If you had to live in a candy world, what candy would you be? Dare. Pretend to swim through a pool of chocolate. Round 9. Truth. What's the silliest nickname you could give a giraffe? Dare. Pretend to be a giraffe eating leaves. Round 10. Truth. If you could talk to animals, what would you say to a dog? Dare. Bark like a dog for 10 seconds. Round 11. Truth. If you were a robot, what's your malfunction? Dare. Walk like a robot and say, "Does not compute." Round 12. Truth. What's the wackiest dance move you can name? Dare. Perform the wackiest dance move you can imagine. Round 13. Truth. What's a funny noise an alien would make? Dare. Make your alien noise and try to phone home. Round 14. Truth. What's the funniest name for a cereal? Dare. Pretend to eat invisible cereal dramatically. Round 15. Truth. If you could invent a magical hat, what would it do? Dare. Pretend to pull something silly out of a hat. Round 16. Truth. If you could shrink to the size of a bug, where would you explore? Dare. Crawl like a bug for 15 seconds. Round 17. Truth. If you were a monster, what would your roar sound like? Dare. Let out your best monster roar. Round 18. Truth. What's the funniest way to greet someone? Dare. Wave like a wacky inflatable tube person. Round 19. Truth. If you had to wear a silly costume every day, what would it be? Dare. Pretend to strut on a runway in your costume. Round 20. Truth. If you were a weather reporter, how would you announce a storm? Dare. Pretend to be blown away by a strong wind. Round 21. Truth. If you could invent a new color, what would you name it? Dare. Point at something and rename its color dramatically. Round 22. Truth. What's the funniest thing a penguin could say? Dare. Waddle like a penguin for 10 seconds. Round 23. Truth. If you could turn into a balloon, what sound would you make? Dare. Pretend you're floating away like a balloon. Round 24. Truth. If you could be a musical instrument, which one would you be? Dare. Pretend to play an invisible instrument of your choice. Round 25. Truth. If you were a magician, what's your signature spell? Dare. Say abracadabra and pretend to perform a magic trick. That's it for our 25-round Truth or Dare quiz. Which did you choose, truth or dare? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun games. See you next time.